it's me VB. Welcome back to my channel for all the subscribers out there. But if you're new, please hit the subscribe button and join the VB family. I would really appreciate it. In today's video, I'm going to show you a quick beginners friendly eyeshadow look. And I know, when you see eyeshadow, sometimes it could be overwhelming, the different colors, the different transitions, where to put what color. But in today's video, I'm going to show you just a quick, simple one, so at least you can get your feet wet in this little eyeshadow game, okay? I hope you like what you see, because all of this is about to come off in 3, 2, 1. As you can see, I've done most of my makeup and I've put concealer onto my eyelids just to prep it for the eyeshadow. And the palette that we'll be using today is going to be the Nubian by Juvia's Place, because it has perfect colors for like an everyday look. So we have nice browns, and then we have nudes at the top as well, and we have a few shimmers. So this is going to be a look that you can use if you're going to a party with any type of outfit. This is the type of look I'm going to be doing. The reason why I'm doing this look today is because one of my subscribers, you know who you are, asked for like an easy step-by-step eyeshadow look. So this is what I'll be doing. So I'm going to first off go over my whole lid. I'm going to go over my whole lid with this color here. The reason why I've done that is just to blend the concealer as well, so it just keeps the concealer nice and matte. Next thing I'm going to do is actually going to go into my crease with this dark brown here, the darkest brown, and just dab it lightly. You see, I've used a flat brush to put the product on. And then I'll use an angled brush to then just brush it out. Always use a flat brush to put the product on, and then use like a nice feathered brush to blend it. That will always give you the results you want. And then I'm going to do the same over here as well. Okay, so I'm going to go back into this color here, dab a little bit, and just put it here. And then again, you go back into that brush and you just brush it out, blend it in. Okay then, so now that that's done, we're gonna go into this nice chocolate brown. I love anything that's this color. Anything that's this color is my baby. So we're gonna go there. We're going to dab it, and we're going to put it just before the dark brown. So we're going to put it here. Yeah. Okay, and then we're going to again use the feathered brush just to blend it. If you want to intensify the dark brown, you can go back into it and make it a bit sharper. Make it stand out more. Go back into it like that. So you have a nice smooth transition. And with this same brown color, I'm actually going to just brush it over the top here as well. So this is how it's looking right now. And if you wanted to add some shimmer, which is what I'm going to do, this is what we're going to do. We're going to go into this type of bronze color there, right? That looks really nice. Or you can even go into the gold if you wanted to. So it's like getting lighter. So you've gone from this to this to this, which would be nice. But I'm gonna actually go into the bronze. That's the one I'm gonna go into. You could finish this look actually with this and then put in like this type of shimmer in your tear duct and it'll look beautiful, honestly. But what I'm going to actually do is go in with this and I'm gonna use my finger. And like if you wanted to blend it out well, just put the brush over it so it doesn't look like it came from nowhere. So see how easy that was? That was super easy. I not only used 3 colors. So let's say you're just wearing like jeans, a white tee, or let's say you're actually wearing like a nice black dress, or you're wearing a red dress, put on red lipstick, you'll be fine. Like, it really is down to you. It's not anything too serious. Like, you can use this for any type of day, any type of occasion. And you see how easy it was? I only used 3 colors. I used 1, 2, and 3. So it's never ever, you never have to do too much when you want to start off with eyeshadows. If you're just a beginner, if you're new to it, just be simple, keep it simple, because honestly, simplicity is underrated. So let's say we want to do tear duct. You will get a brush that's, well, for me, what works is a brush that's kind of like blunt like this. It's like, just looks like, but it doesn't spread, it's like that. So what I'm going to go into for my tear duct, what color should I use? I think for my tear duct, I'm going to keep it nice and bright and go for, which one be, what we going to do? Which one we going to do? Which one we going to do? Okay, I'm going to go with this color here. And this, you can use whichever color you want. Whichever color you want, whichever one makes you happy. I'm gonna keep it simple for the waterline and we're just going to smoke it out with this color here, okay? So keep it nice and dark. And I'm gonna do my eyeliner now. So guys, here's the final look. I've done both eyelids now and then I just topped it off with some eyeliner and eyelashes. I hope you like the look. I just wanted to do something quick, easy and simple. And you can do this same technique with any other color. As long as the colors complement each other, you'll be good to go. But for all my brown skin girls out there as well, this is something that works with us. Brown on brown actually looks really good. So guys, like, play with your shades as well. Play with what's good on you. If you're a lighter complexion and you want to do like a more red pink look, do the same way I've done it. I'll use a darker, bolder color at the back and then your crease, and then go lighter and then add a shimmer in the middle, and it just makes it look way more fancy. And don't forget your tear duct if you want something to brighten your eyes, if you want to add some pop or personality. I really hope you like this look. I hope this helped someone. I hope especially it helped the subscriber that actually asked me to do something like this. I hope you like it, guys, because I'm actually feeling it. It was actually really simple and easy to do, and I'm shocked that it turned out quite nicely. I was shook, but it's quite cute. It's a cute look. Let me know what you think about this look and the tutorial, and if you've tried it out and you've got a good result, feel free to DM me on my Instagram, which will be scrolling down there. Yeah, it should be scrolling. It should be down there somewhere. Yeah, DM me how your looks end up coming out and everything. It's very easy, very simple, no pressure. And I will see you in my next video. I hope you like this. Please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.